Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a super cute rose bag hanger. It's perfect for decorating your bags, backpacks, or even using as a keychain. We're using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming crochet ideas. Now, let's start this adorable project together. For the rose, let's start with round 1, chain 24. Then, skip 2 chains. In the next stitch, work a double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet. Now, skip 2 stitches, and repeat this pattern 8 times in total. You're doing great. Tip: keep your tension even to make your rose look neat. Now moving on to round 2, chain 1, into the chain 1 space from the previous row, work 3 half double crochets and 1 slip stitch. Repeat this 8 times to form the rose petals. It's coming together beautifully. Tip: relax your hands and let your yarn flow naturally for smooth curves. Next, let's create the rose base. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 5 single crochets into it. Pull tight and join with a slip stitch. Well done. Tip: if magic rings are tricky for you, you can start with 2 chains instead and work into the first chain. For round 2, chain 5, turn your work, skip 1 chain, and work into the next stitches. Slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitch. Repeat this 5 times around to create little petals for the base. Keep going. You're almost there. Tip: count your stitches carefully so your base stays even. Now, let's make the leaf. Chain 10. Turn your work, skip 1 stitch. In the next stitches, work. Single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochets, half double crochet. Now, work 3 stitches into the last chain. Half double crochet, 5 double crochets, and half double crochet again. Then, single crochet and slip stitch to finish. Amazing job. Tip: make sure your stitches curve nicely by not pulling too tight. Finally, for the assembly part, after finishing the leaves and flowers, make a long chain of 120 stitches. This will be the strap for hanging. Then simply attach your flowers and leaves together along the chain to form a lovely decorative hanger. You're almost done. Tip: you can add more flowers or leaves depending on how full you want your decoration to look. And that's it. Your beautiful rose bag hanger is complete. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever a new crochet idea is posted. See you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!